Alright everybody, in this video I'll be showing you how to remove the scratch from the windshield on the Alfa Romeo Spider. Of course this should work on any other car out there, but it's pretty common on the Spider. I've seen a lot of them with the windshield wiper scratch similar to this one. Not sure how well you can see it on camera, but this one seemed pretty severe, to the point I already asked a buddy of mine if he has a spare windshield I can have. I even did a sloppy job filming everything because I didn't expect it to work as good as it did. I started by cleaning the windshield really good and then using a clay bar on it to make sure there's nothing left that could cause more scratches in the buffing process. The compound I'm using for buffing is cerium oxide powder mixed with water in 2:1 ratio and a 3-inch glass buffing pad, and if you're wondering, those two items cost me just over $20 at the time of recording. Now pause right there. What I'm about to do is gonna be a little bit messy, of course, and I didn't think much of it. I thought I'm simply gonna rinse it off, but it turns out the cerium oxide is tricky to clean off, especially from the rubber gaskets. If I was doing this all over again, I would mask everything. Basically, I would treat it like I was about to spray paint. There, you've been warned. First, I tried using an oscillating tool, but I didn't feel like it was making any progress, so I switched to a drill. I guess an actual buffer would work even better, but the regular drill will get the job done. As you can see, I started taping off the area I was working on, and not just to contain the mess, but the scratch already started disappearing, and I couldn't really tell what area I need to focus on, so I used the blue tape as a guideline. And that's basically it. After a cleanup, this is what we got. The scratch is completely gone. I can't even tell where it was. Notice the powder in the upper right corner I warned you about? But other than that, it turned out amazing. Again, we started with this, and we ended up with a windshield that looks as good as new. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and until next time, sloppy out.